Hello everyone, welcome to the Codium YouTube channel. This is Python tutorial series and this is the PyCharm platform. Today we learn how to write a program to multiply two matrix. Before we start, I have already written the program, only I am explaining that program. But before we start explaining the program of multiplication of two matrix, we have to understand how to work when multiply two matrix. For example, this is two matrix and this is A11, A21 and A31, and this is A12, A22 and this is A32. Sorry, here is B11, B21, element numbers B31, but in Python the element number by index number 0 start from 0. B21, sorry, B12, 12, 22 and B32, 33, sorry, 1121, 1112, 2122 and 3132, like that. When you multiply these number two matrix, so first of all this column multiply to this row, this column, so this row multiply to this column, and the summation of multiplication, like A11 multiply by B11 plus A12 multiply by B21 plus, like that the summation and the multiplication of these two column and row is a one element of third resultant matrix, like that. This is okay. It means when we go in this way, in this column we require a range starting from 0, and when we are going to this range we also require a range. So this is I range, this is J range. But when we put this result into the resultant matrix replace of X, so we require one more range K, because we have loop in or range in 3 times. First go to the row in the form row, and the second for column, and the third for replace the data in the result. You can more understand when we explain this matrix. Okay, we have two matrix X. This is the matrix, first bracket for the data stored in a list and the second bracket is for the matrix. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix, and this is 3 by 4 matrix. Okay, result is in the form of 0, because the result, the computation value we replace in the result elements. If you're talking about element, this is the index number 0, 1, 2, like that. Okay, first range I in range X, you can say 3, because the X matrix is 3 by 3, and the second range is till 4, you can say 4, you can change this into 4, and the 4 matrix is K. Now you can focus in this line. Result I is 0 and J is 0, 0, 0. It means the talking about first element of the result is equal to the first element of X multiplied by second element of X, then plus, then the next and the third and the fourth and the fifth. Not equal to is plus equal to, because okay, A11 multiply by A11 plus A12 multiply by A11, like that the series continue due to the plus and equal to, and then print the result. Let's check. This is the multiplication of matrix. So this is the if you know that, if you want to know more in detail, you can visit my last before this video, how to add a matrix. We explain step by step. This is only the difference between that and is only this line, these two lines. Okay, so you can go and learn. Thank you very much. If you like this video, and please support my work on Patreon.